All right, so let's look at how to make money as an animator. So, one of the ways to make money is to sell your service to clients. There are so many clients, business owners, um, those who sell products and services that are ready and will be willing to pay you for your services. All you need to do is to open their eyes to see that they need such videos. They can use such videos to make sales, for awareness, for publicity, for customer attraction, whatever you call it. Okay, just as long as they understand that they can use this explainer video to advertise their products and services, attract clients, attract sales, they will pay you for you to create such videos. Okay, you can make money by teaching others the same thing. All right, okay, you can use it to create animation explainer videos on YouTube and monetize it. Okay, there are so many YouTube videos channels that are making money from this kind of videos using whiteboard animation. All you hear is a background voiceover, and you see the animation explaining everything with images, icons, okay, and objects. So you can have a YouTube channel that uses animation, whiteboard animation to actually explain videos, and you make money from it. Okay, so there are other ways, but these are the three major ways that I've seen most whiteboard animators. I've seen them make money with. Okay, these are the three major ways I've seen, and I've noticed many of them make money from. Okay, I too have made money from selling to clients. Okay, and I'm also making money from teaching you. All right, so we are planning on having a YouTube channel that uses animation, whiteboard animation, to explain certain things. Okay, like you preaching, somebody, your pastor, somebody might be preaching, or a speaker, a motivational speaker might be talking, and you are using a whiteboard animation to explain what he or she is saying. Okay, and then you make money from it. Your video becomes unique and you make money from it. So thank you, and see you in the next video.